Typically, businesses have to utilize multiple vendors to verify identities in their onboarding process, with each vendor providing a specific vertical part of the end-to-end workflow. Orchestrating all of the components together at the horizontal workflow level requires homegrown capabilities or adding another partner to provide the orchestration technology. At global scale, this turns into 20, 30, 40 or more disparate solutions. Managing the operational efficiency and cost of this results in organizations creating full-stack identity teams within their business. I'm Michael Ramsbacher, Chief Product Officer at Trulioo. This is my colleague, Ben Penning, and we're here to show you how the Trulioo platform can transform how you approach identity solutions through an integrated global platform that solves for cost, geographic compliance, expansion, user experience. Let's get the identity platform live demo started. All Trulioo customers have access to the features accessible from the homepage here. The API Direct on the right gives direct access to Trulioo's global service catalog of KYB and KYC identity services. But let's select Workflow Studio on the left. This is Trulioo's no-code environment that allows for programmable business logic right within the Trulioo platform. Trulioo has a robust catalog of pre-built workflow templates, but in this case, we're going to start from scratch and create a new workflow and give it an interesting name like Hello World. We're going to build a simple multi-country onboarding workflow. For our onboarding use case, we're going to leverage Trulioo's built-in person match service, which utilizes over 400 data sources and advanced algorithms to match an individual's personal information in over 75 countries. We're going to also utilize Trulioo's document verification service, which supports a global catalog of identity documents and can ensure ownership of the identity using face biometric technology. All right, Ben, let's click Edit Workflow and start building. So as Ben builds the workflow here, I'm going to talk you through some of the basic building blocks of the platform. The first thing here is the condition statement. Think of this as like an if-then statement that allows to create different branches and different flows for the applicants, individuals, or businesses that are coming through your onboarding workflow. The person match service here supports 75 countries, but we're just going to pick a few here as an example. We're going to activate that service. Now we're going to add another condition to make some business logic decision based on the results of that person match service. We're going to accept the applicant in one case, and in another case, we're going to reject the applicant, and he's going to add the condition rule here. You can create condition rules based on form inputs or service responses. In this case, we're using the service response to accept the client. You can see here that there's a warning message telling him to go to the form to collect the appropriate information that he needs to match that individual for his use case. All of the required fields are bucketed together based on what's necessary for that particular service. Keep in mind these forms are completely flexible. The labels can be changed. They can be localized for different languages. You can have your own custom validation using regular expressions. There's really no limit to the onboarding data and flows that you can create using this particular form. So we've created the person match branch. Now he's going to create another branch that uses the document verification. Going to activate the service. And going back to the original condition, he's going to add a rule here. And I want to pause here for a second and talk to you about what's happening. This is deceptively simple, but it's really quite powerful. There are many reasons you might want to send an applicant to document verification. The data sources or the regulations could result in lower performance for certain countries and certain applicants, and so we can send them to document verification. And it's this deep understanding of the different vertical services that allows optimization across the horizontal workflow. And by doing this, we can lower the cost of a verified good user by routing specific transactions to specific branches to maintain high verification rates and also provide a low friction experience using person match wherever that's available in certain countries. This is just one simple change for one country and one use case, but it gives you a sense of what's possible when you combine global knowledge, trusted expertise with a programmable identity platform. But we're not done yet. For customers who fail the person match branch, we're going to waterfall them back to document verification to maximize our overall approval rates. With the workflow business logic complete, let's look at the different ways we have to launch the solution. We have no-code user interface integrations. You can use redirect links, or you can grab HTML snippets and add these into your forms or your mobile apps. We also have a low-code option where you can integrate with an API to leverage all of the platform business logic, but use it with your own existing user interfaces. And this is a really great option if you want to include this workflow and this business logic as part of a larger workflow solution. Verifying businesses and individuals at global scale is challenging. With the Trulioo platform, you can build, launch, and optimize workflows or connect to specific services via APIs. No matter your use case or technical requirements, the Trulioo platform can help lower your cost of a verified good user and fuel your global expansion. This demo was just a small fraction of our capabilities. Please come visit us at our booth, and our team can give you a more in-depth look at the platform, and we can talk about how the platform can be tailored solutions for you. Thank you.